Minecraft video. So today on my task board I'm going to be adding 2 new things. So I'm going to be adding a farmland and a house for my dog. So I died. So I'm gonna sleep. And my door's open. I die again. I starve. He's got my sword. Stand back. Hey, stand back. I died. Oh, that's a creeper. That is a creeper. Axe. Oh no. Oh no. I will fix that. Just what? Not right now. But okay. So what was I doing? Build a house for my dog. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to build my house for my dog. But let's grab these blocks because I think my dog deserves a house, and I'm going to change the name. So I'm actually going to let you guys, my comments, my viewers, to actually decide on what my dog is going to be called, because I think I need to involve you guys more. Okay, so I'm going to let you decide now. Oh, did I break my pickaxe? I think I broke my pickaxe. Oh well. Okay, so let's find the dirt. That's 60 pieces of dirt. I think I can fill that all in. I might have to leave a gap. I'm not sure. Again! Oh, it killed a sheep! Oh, that's sad. He was enjoying his life as well. Oh, rest in peace. I hope you have a good afterlife. Hoping this 60 pieces of dirt should cover it. Again. Yeah, I think I'll cover it. Right. Okay. So, now I'm definitely going to build a house for my dog because I think it'll just be really sweet too. And she would appreciate it. I'm just telling you guys, she is a girl, so please comment down a girl's name. Doesn't matter, just comment down below girl's name of your choice. So I think it's gonna be like a little. So my house is mostly blossom, like cherry blossom. So I think it's actually gonna make it out of birch, and the pillars are going to be cherry blossom. So I think it'll be just like a nice little collage. I'm not sure though. I think I might keep it like the same as mine. Well, I think it's good to keep it with the theme, but right now I'm going to just get the materials before I even think about that first. But yeah, ooh. So I hope my dog likes it. Oh, didn't even know I broke the food. Didn't know I was even breaking this tree. So I'm gonna just get 16 of both, so just in case if I decide not like to change it and all. But yeah, so because then I'll just know if I change it, then I'll at least know that I have enough. each one. Get what I mean? I hope she likes it, because I just think it'll be really sweet for her. And she has her own little house that she can roam around in. But then if I do leave on a like go out to get some coal or like go out mining, I would have to sit her down because she will teleport to me. But yeah, so I think she'll really enjoy it. Oh, that's gonna be a bit annoying. I have to just take one piece of birch from a tree. Oh, that's gonna be really annoying. I could find this tree again, I know I will. And I'll give it its pride, joy. Why was I using my fist? I have an axe. Let's cut down 16 of these. And I'm gonna get the basics. So just comment down below, tell me if you enjoyed the video, and give me some dog names which are like a girl name for a dog, because I have got a dog. I have got way much more than 16. So it does kind of look like I'm going to build it the same as this house, my house right here. Don't know where to put it, because like I want it somewhere nice. So I think about here. Oh, start my farmland already. I won't though, because I need to. I'm going to do that in the next episode, which hopefully should be soon. So, ouch. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then that should end there. So yeah, I need some duck. Take it off somewhere where no one will notice. Oh yeah, I should do. Don't know how much I need though. Yeah, that should do. That looks like it should do. Actually, I don't know how much I've got. I've got 41 pieces, so I don't really need to take that amount. Okay, well, there is a bit of stone there, so that's just going to bother me. You know what? I'll have enough. Let's just salvage that. Make it look like it was never changed. See? 30 pieces of dirt. That should do. 1, 2, 3. Then I might have enough. No, I don't think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of dirt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, my dog is gonna have it. Actually, no, I'm not gonna have it this high. So I think I might just cut it down by 1. That's what I was going to do. I will do that soon. Keep on doing that. Yeah. Yeah, because, yeah. Oh, that's annoying. Anyways, bit of a side task. I did want to start this. I wanted to do this when I first started. So like when I first built my house, I wanted to do that. So yeah. Right, so it's getting a bit dark now. So I'm gonna just go in, go to sleep. yeah. Yeah, just wanna. Do I have anything that needs? So I will definitely continue this after I am done or asleep. Right, okay. Oh, what trays have you got? Hey, I said come back here. Trade with me. I want you to trade with me. Okay, well. Hey. Hey, look, I got a lead for my dog now. I think 36 would do. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have a little door right there. Actually, I'm gonna have a double door. Ooh, my dog's spoiled, hey? Why am I chucking it? Oh, it's annoying. My dog's a bit spoiled. She gets a double door. It's okay. I'll do anything for my dog. I love my dog. She has a little window. She has everything. Okay. Is it just me or is that off-centered? No, it's not. I'm just seeing it wrong. I'm out. Okay, well. 12 should do it. So I think a window. And just gonna have a nice little double window there. What is my phone? My phone's birch. Why have I got that achievement? Harvest some later. Okay. My dog is going to have a beautiful little house. What's dirt? I mean, at least I've got some more dirt now. I can fill in that gap. That is 22 pieces of dirt, and I don't have enough of that. Also, I need some food. So, before I do anything, I am going to go into here. I am going to take those stairs though, because I think they will be an important part. So, and cook some food. Add some stuff. Since when did I get an unbreaking? Ooh! I got a shovel. An iron shovel. With unbreaking 1 on it. Ooh. Give me that steak. Give me some steak. Give me some steak. Okay. Let me just eat. Nom nom nom. Okay. Oh, hello. You deserve some. There you go. If I had another dog. Right, okay. That looked like lightning, but it's not raining, so it can't be. Huh? That's genius! Forgot that. But that was 20 something, so might not be. See, okay, how many do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so I'm gonna have 2 left over. Oh, egg. Oh, no chicken. That is sad. Let's go. Just chuck my axe. I think that should do. Oh, you can see her already. Oh, that's cute. Then I can go in, say hello to my dog. The name that you guys are choosing. That'll be sweet. She is a cute dog. Like, it is unbelievably how cute she is. Alright, okay, so I need a door now. Like, right now. Okay, let's make... I think she deserves a birch door. Just like, yeah. And then I'm gonna have some birch stairs, actually. How many stairs can I make with that? I can't even make any. Can I? No, I need 2 more. 4. Right, okay, so let's go get some more birch. And then, yeah. I don't know how many stairs I need, but yeah. Okay. Just go like this. Oh, I think there's a village nearby. Because I see pumpkins down there. And what I always think, if you see pumpkins, there's always going to be a village. So you just gotta like follow the pumpkins and all. I also will upgrade my taskboard as well. So yeah. Why am I going that way? I need to make stairs. 52 should do. Plus that extra. Okay, I can make 36 stairs. Okay, let's go. See some dirt. Oh, actually, no, I need it here, actually. Now my axe is going to break soon. Oh! Just realised how my pickaxe broke. I was mining and then it broke and then I got stuck in a hole. I need some more gear. Like, I need iron. Are they facing the right way? They look like they're connected. Yeah. Oh well. Ah! Don't break on me now, Max. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I shouldn't. I don't know why I'm singing. Sometimes I'm just a bit. Yeah, I get bored sometimes, so I just start singing. I'm not bored because I'm making this video for you guys. Donut Squad. Right, well. So, I might not finish this. Oh, it's another dog. Do I have any bones on me? Oh, I don't have any bones. Could have got my dog a friend. Okay. Well, I should finish it in this video, but I promise you guys that my next episode, this will be finished in that one. So I'm going to leave now. Door shut. Oh, you know what? Oh, okay. So hope you enjoyed, guys. Bye. These are the good times meant for me and you. Picnic by the river, laughter in the air, hearing secrets, dreams, and stories without a single care.
sunsets paint the water, a masterpiece divine. Your head on my shoulder, wishing we could pause time. No need for adventures or places we should roam. Just your presence here with me feels like coming home. These are the good times, moments etched in gold, more precious than diamonds, stories yet untold. Simple joys, laughter's voice, time moves slow. Let go of worries, watch our love grow. Just you and me, a harmony so rare and true. These are the good times, meant for me and you. The world keeps spinning, a whirlwind, it's true. But in your arms I find my peace with you. These are the good times, moments etched in gold, more precious than diamonds, stories yet untold. Simple joys, laughter's voice, time moves slow. Let go of worries, watch our love grow. Just you and me, a harmony so rare and true. These are the good times, meant for me and you.